Okay, today we're doing something different. I actually found this website here online that does something really neat. Look at my history. And this thing is hilarious, I'm telling you. You can play with cats online. And it's hilarious. Sometimes the kitties aren't active, but it's always fun. Just watching you be able to control things in Arizona from Ohio, or you can do this crap from Tahiti, I'm telling you. So, let's do Palmetto. No one's playing with the poor kitties. Oh, that's gonna fix. I'll put the link to this in the description, by the way. But this is really easy to move a toy. You just hold one, and you can see that toy right there is moving. Let it go, it stops. 3 and 2. You can move the camera with your arrow keys.
Oh, look at the cute kitties.
You have to click, actually, to zoom. It's no big deal. Let's zoom in and look at cute kitties. There's one. I'm staring at you, and you can't tell a stinking thing. I'm zooming in on you.
Look at the kitty cat.
There's a butt and more of a cat, and there's the rest of them. But yeah, this is really fun. I'll put the link in the description. I'll finish this round. You get 2 minutes per cycle. You can queue like 20 million times in a row. I myself was addicted to this and was playing for an hour and a half today. It looks like they've all gotten worn out. But as you can see, they have little numbers, like there's the 1. If you push 1, and then big 3, so 3. 2 is up on the wall somewhere. Ooh, we almost got a kitty. Oh, he was going. The one behind the glass, of course, was trying to play with it. Now that's just mad crazy.
Oh, cute little kitty drinking.
No, diddly-doo. The cat on the other side of the glass seems very interested because it's like going behind this line at some points. It's trying to figure out where it's going, but it can't find out. It's here, it's gone. It's here, it's gone. Here, gone. Here, gone. Here, gone. Here, gone. Here, gone. It's actually pawing at the window, like, I can't get at it, but I want to. So bad. And if you hold something for enough time, it'll turn it on permanently. Well, until the next term anyway. Somebody else turns it off. Guess they're not mechanics, so they don't like the mechanical toys. I don't know. I saw this website on that show Must Love Cats. Yeah, that's where I actually found out about it. So, yeah, you have 2 minutes in the pool. Your queue position live. And there's a little chat over here on the side. It's not working. But, yeah, so it's really neat. It puts you in a different tab. So, there's more coming. So, yeah, I'll link it in the description. I'll be releasing my Let's Play Minecraft series fairly soon, and since my webcam seems to be finally working, I might start doing video blogs, or what they're called, vlogs nowadays. But yeah, other than that, I'll start doing some games like the Hunger Games and stuff. I'll be doing those daily, and maybe even some Capture the Flag kit PvP, PvP. I don't know. And that about covers it. So yeah.